Have a good day, everybody. Today we are going to start second chapter of Science 2, that is Life Process in Living Organism, Part 1. Now, Part 1 includes how living organism earns energy for performing the various function in the body. This is the main theme of this chapter. This chapter includes living organism and life processes, living organism and energy production, some nutrient and energy efficiency, cell division, a life process. These are the main topic of this chapter. We are towards the first topic, that is living organism and life processes. In this paragraph, it is been discussed that how living organism gets the energy. So we are all knowing that in our body there are various organ system which are continually performing some function, and all function are in connection, means in coordination, like digestion, respiration, circulatory, excretory and control system, and different external and internal organ are performing their function independently but through a complete coordination. Means without coordination there is no function taking place in our body, and for all this action which is being conducted by organism is required some thing that is known as energy. Now from where we can get this energy? This energy we are getting from the food we are eating, that is mainly comprises of carbohydrate, fats and lipids. So these are the main thing, and which get converts into a energy in the mitochondria of the cell, and this energy is known as ATP, adenotriphosphate. Now for the production of this adenotriphosphate, it is not that only carbohydrate, fats and lipids are required, but it requires some oxygen, vitamins, minerals also. Now all the foodstuffs and oxygens are transferred up to the cell via circulatory system, and it is coordinated